Okay, and then lastly in this lesson, we're going to work in converting from standard form to vertex form. Some of you might say, why do we need to know this? I think at the beginning I put what makes things easier to view. And in vertex form, it makes it easier to get an image, an idea of what the graph should look like to know if you're doing it right or not when you put it in your calculator, if you type it in right, or whatever it is. In standard form, it's not as easy to find the vertex, to say, oh, that's where my peak or my valley is, that's where my max or my min is. But as you know from previous lessons, it's fairly easy to find the vertex, or find the x-coordinate of a vertex in standard form, right? Because we know that the x-coordinate is opposite b over 2a. So let's type that in. B, well, first remember this is a, this is b, and this is c, because standard form is of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so opposite of 12 is negative 12, and 2 times our a, well, a is negative 3, so we have negative 12 over negative 6, which is positive 2. So we get that the x-coordinate is 2. So we need to find what the y-coordinate is when x is 2 to establish our vertex. So we're going to take what x equals, plug it in, and solve the equation for y. So we're going to have negative 3 times 2 squared plus 12 times 2 plus 5. And we get negative 3 times 4, because 2 squared is 4, plus 24 plus 5. So this is negative 12 plus 24 plus 5. Negative 12 plus 24 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So we get the vertex of 217. All right, so that's our vertex, and believe it or not, your A in standard form is the same A in vertex form. So since A here is negative 3, your A in vertex form is also going to be negative 3. So your equation is going to be y equals A, negative 3, x minus 2 squared plus 17. So we might say, why is it minus 2? Because remember, vertex form is a x minus h squared plus k. So since our h is positive 2, we just plug it in there, so it's x minus 2. The only way it would change to a positive x plus 2 here is if this was a negative 2, because that would be x minus a negative 2, like the previous example. You should be able to do all of the classwork now, so feel free to work on it now or wait until we get into class tomorrow to work on it.